end up in the gravel pit down there as they head to turns 1 and 2.
So far, so good. Back around the top 15 so far, and especially good for Kevin Harvick, who jumps away with the lead as he exits turn number 1. Now heads up through the S's. The battle's going to be for second. Scott Speed, driver's left of Marcus Ambrose. He's going to sweep by him. Speed to second. Ambrose to third. Robbie fourth. And Denny Hamlin as they spill out on the back straightaway. Single file, front 6 cars. Kevin Harvick out in front all by himself. Man under fire would be Marcus Ambrose. Here's Robbie Gordon taking a peek to the inside. Everybody's starting to shuffle through the bus stop. Ambrose now going to work on Scott Speed. That's the battle for the number 2 position. Here's Ambrose looking down to the inside. Speed giving him all the room in the world, but not giving him the spot off the 9th corner.
They're going to spill off of turn number 9, headed back down that short chute back